Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a brief explanation of the basics of photogrammetry. When people hear photogrammetry, they're usually like, photo what? Because it really isn't a very popular concept. What photogrammetry is you basically take about 50 to 100 pictures of an object, and then after you take the pictures, you will import all the photos into a software like Meshroom, and it will compute similar points in several of the images. Then it will triangulate the images together by folding them around each other and using triangulation to find one specific point in at least 3 images. And then it will, after it has this, it knows just about the exact point for where this point on your original object is. So after it repeats that process several times through all the images, it comes up with thousands of points throughout your images. And this will create a point cloud, which you can then densify, which makes it much thicker, and you can actually begin to clearly make out a 3D object. Then you can, once you have a dense point cloud and you can clearly see the object, you can export it and there's your 3D model. So basically photogrammetry is as simple as taking a bunch of photos. It's basically a free 3D scanner. The one downside of photogrammetry is it is pretty time consuming. It will take quite a while to take all of the photos, and then you still have to wait for the software to process all of them, which can take several hours. So photogrammetry, for the basics, is a great alternative to 3D scanner if you're on a budget, and I would highly recommend this. The only thing is, for most softwares, you need a computer with a CUDA-enabled GPU. But there are some softwares you can find that will not give you the highest quality compared to others, but it will still do the job. I hope you understood and enjoyed this brief explanation of photogrammetry. If you want to see more like this, feel free to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see other videos.